Okay, to finish getting the console out, you're going to turn the key on the on position, pull your car into gear, pull the emergency brake as far up as it will possibly go, and then remove this boot from around the gear shifter, and just pops right out. And behind there you will see 2 screws. Those call for your T20 Torx bit. Unscrew these. Disconnect your cigarette lighter It's not very easy to do with one hand while you're holding the phone in the other hand. There we go. Now lift up. And underneath, you'll see all your connectors. You have to disconnect all those, and then just pull your console out and slide your new one in. Don't forget to reinsert all your screws, and you'll be good to go.